Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how to use ElevenLabs for beginners. So basically what this application is, with ElevenLabs you can just insert a text right here and you can generate an audio voice that will read that text for you. Also, if you want, you have the option to use your voice. You can add your voice to this application and of course just insert the text right here and it will be read with your voice. So what we have to do right here, I just copied earlier text, a short paragraph that we are going to use for this tutorial, and I'm just going to insert that right here. And after that you can of course select your voice settings from here. As you can see, you have multiple options on which person you want to this text to be read by. There are different options here, and of course voice settings like stability you have here, and clarity, similarity, and so on. And after you make your settings as you wish and you insert this text right here, you just hit the generate button, and we are waiting
My
for
family
this
is
to be
very
done.
important to me. We do lots of things together. My brothers and I like to go on long walks in the mountains. My sister likes to cook with my grandmother. On the weekends, we all play board games together. We laugh and always have a good time. I love my family very much.
Okay, so as you can see right here, this voice just read our paragraph right here, the text we inserted. And of course you can download this audio text just by clicking this button right here at the top right corner. Okay, so this is all for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.